Hello everyone, and hope you're well, and welcome to this superb, very special collab with two ladies I know you probably already know, and if you don't know, get to know. I'm collabing today with the gorgeous Kathy from Kathy Beauty Care Chats and the sensational Penn Smith from Penn Smith Skincare. We are doing a collab today on hooded eyes. We've all got hooded eyes in our own sort of hooded eye way, and we're all going to do a video showcasing how we make the best of ours. Now, a little bit about these two ladies, okay? Kathy is just an absolute ray of sunshine. She's so energetic, so bubbly, so knowledgeable. She's the blonde bombshell, you know? I adore her. I love watching all her tutorials and her makeup pics and just generally listening to her about life, really. I feel, you know, I really look up to her, so show her some love. And then you've got Penn Smith. Penn Smith is just, she's got this really calming energy, really sort of serene aura around her almost. She's so knowledgeable about skincare, and oh my god, you are gonna love her glowy foundation skin recommendations. Her skin is just gorgeous, and I love watching her. I love seeing her recommendations. She's just beautiful. They are both absolutely gorgeous in their own special ways. I love them both to bits. I look up and I'm inspired all the time by them. And when they asked me to collab, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, please. So I'm absolutely delighted to be bringing this collaboration to you. Please go and check out their videos, subscribe to them, like their videos, show them some love, say hi if you don't know them, because you are going to fall in love with them like I have. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how I created this look here, which is one of my favorite looks for hooded eyes. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do my crease contour, and I always use a bronzer. I just find it's just so much easier, and it's just what I do. So I always go in sort of like the brownie part, and I just literally use that as my crease. It just creates a nice kind of natural contour. You don't have to be too precise with it. You just kind of, you see already it's kind of just giving me a little bit of definition. I take it right up over the brow bone, take it into the centers here, the corners, sorry, and just kind of mix it around and give it a nice sort of blend. Right, so for this look, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Dolce Vita palette. I love this palette. I tend to use this always in the autumn, but the colors are so gorgeous and they're really easy to blend. So I'm going to take this light color here first, and I'm just going to use it as a color wash all over my eyelids. So you can see it's already creating definition because I've got the slight shadow in the crease and the light on the eyelid. And it's a lovely sort of like champagne shade. Right, now I'm going to start work on the crease. So I'm going to go in with the burgundy shade, which is that shade here. I'm going to take the same MAC 217 brush. I'm just going to dip the tip into the colour. Now these are really pigmented, so you don't want a lot. And I'm just literally going to start, I'm going to tip my head sort of back like this, and I'm literally just going to start in that crease just on the edge, on the outer edge, and I'm going to pull it to the sides. So the bronzer that we've used first has literally diffused, and now we're just building up. And just keep going in and getting a little bit and building and taking it to the side. Then I'm going to go in with the darker shade, this brown here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start building it in the crease. So I'm going to tap my brush in the tip of the brush and just do the same thing, but just in the crease. So I'm literally layering, and it just creates, your eye starts to get bigger and bigger because you're doing it in stages. You're not just putting on, you know, thick layers of shadow. That's the key to it. It's kind of building it up and creating that kind of sort of ombre effect, I suppose. But having a quad with shades is really easy because you can kind of build up from the lightest to the darkest. Back in with my brush that I used with the bronzer, and I'm just going to blend that all in so it's kind of seamless. Take that just under the eyes. Whatever's left on that brush, I just take under the eyes. Take this brush and dip it into the dark shadow, the darkest brown, and put that under the eyes. Just really lightly. Then I'm going to take this gold shadow here. I'm just going to rub my finger on it basically. It's like a glossy gold, and I'm just going to tap that just on the center of my eyelid. Just to give a bit of a, and because we've put that light color down, it's going to give it a real pop. Wet my liner brush with Fix Plus, and I'm going to use the darker shade again, but as a liner. And I love doing this with shadows. It is just, oh, I need it. You know, I sprayed it and you're like, come on, did I spray you or what? Yeah, I've sprayed my foot. I can feel all the Fix Plus going on my foot. Curl my lashes with my Schumacher eyelash curlers. This is the L'Oreal Lash Primer. Paradise Mascara. I use my NYX Wonder Pencil just to put in the waterline. My mascara's on. This is where I like to then go in again. So I've got my mascara on, and then I'm going to go back in with the burgundy shade, that shade there, and I'm just going to sort of deepen the look up even more. So I dip the brush in, tap it out, and then just sort of where the mascara is, I'm just going to sort of lightly tap that. You see, if I lift up, you can see my crease, but if I leave it down, I'm literally just taking that burgundy shade onto the crease itself. That way you're going to see the colour. So again here you can see my, if I lift up my eyes, you can see all that crease, all that, yeah. But now I close it and you've got this whole big fold. So I'm literally going over the fold. And I find it helps when you've done your mascara because the mascara's already on, so you can kind of see where to go, just right above your lashes. Just on the very outer corner here. Like that. I'll drag whatever's rest just sort of inwards. That way you get the whole feel and look of the eye, but it only works with the mascara on, I feel. And that's about it. There you have it. That is my hooded eye tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you try it out and give me some of your tips and tricks, and do go ahead and watch the lovely, delightful Kathy and Penn. You will just adore them, and you probably already watched them anyway. So do go and say hi and show them loads of love, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.